Hi, we're at Indian Run Falls Park in Dublin, Ohio, and I can hear the waterfall already. I parked on a different side than normal, and oh my gosh, it's right here. Well, maybe this isn't the actual waterfall, but it's definitely running water.
Yeah. Did I get everything?
No, don't worry.
I would pour my water bottles out.
No, don't do that. Okay, I don't know if this is the falls or not, but there's definitely running water down there.
It's not the water
And
it's too small.
Well, we'll keep walking and we'll find out. I think this place you are allowed to look at the falls from because it's pretty perfect, but I've also been warned people have to get rescued off of these falls pretty frequently. So do not go off normal paths here, and no swimming or wading, and we didn't climb on the rocks or do anything crazy. So be safe if you're gonna come here. Okay, so there are stairs up there, the path here, and we're gonna try the path first and then the stairs and see what happens. I can hear the falls, just a sec, guys. Well, right now, you can't see it very well. Those are the falls rushing down. Also, it feels like we're in the middle of the woods. But that's a school behind me, and there are people having probably one of their first track, baseball, sports meetings of the school year, because it's August 1st today. This is pretty. Oh, they're right there. That's where the falls are. I can barely see it, and not very well. I don't think you can go down there. You might be able to view it better from that viewing plank, which is on the other side. Having a really nice time. This path is wonderful. It's not a hot day, and it's actually fairly early in the morning, a little after 9 o'clock. There is some humidity, but the temperature is not that high yet. So I'm guessing it's about 70 degrees. It's a beautiful morning. It's supposed to rain later. And I wanted to get out and find the waterfalls while we're still in this part of town. And take new photos and enjoy it, because parking in a different spot makes a huge difference on seeing the falls quickly. We're taking a little sit down, and this part of the trail is nice and wide, and over behind me there's a little rock ledge, but I am not interested in climbing on that, so you come. Use your discretion. It says no climbing on the rocks.
You know, I love my warrior, but it's weird because Luke is still young.
So there are a lot of these on all the observation decks. So I guess there really are a lot of problems here, or they wouldn't have quite so many, because in most parks in the area, you don't see this kind of thing. There are little chipmunks up there. Oh, you probably can't see them at all. It's a little dark. Oh, look, look, look. Oh, look at that. Look, 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 look.
I see what.
That's pretty cool. No, don't take any of the sticks. So that's really neat.
It is.
But this is uphill. We can't find the path. So hopefully it's up here. Oh, it's up here. I know where we are. Maybe. I think I know where we are, guys. So that's where we came down from.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, now we're at a Remembrance Park, and there's an old cemetery that way.
Oh, look at the old
You can go.
cemetery.
Yeah, you can go look. Just be respectful, please. And I don't know how to connect to the rest of the trail because we couldn't get across. We know there's another side, but I don't think you have to. I don't know. Maybe I don't know. I don't remember. It's not that hard. It should just be a loop. Oh, look. That's pretty young.
So close. I think it's a jumping spider. Oh, fresh water on it.
No, my gosh, don't. So we are going back the way we came because I can't find a way to go around. There is what looks like a small path, but it is blocked by some fallen trees or branch debris, and I don't want to risk going that way and it not being correct. We went to that park, got to see a little tiny bit of downtown Dublin, which is really nice, by the way. It's changed a lot. I don't even know where I am. I thought the library was there, but who knows? Oh, here are people running. We need to get to the side.
Dear God.
Okay, so they're already gone, the runners. But I had to stop for a second for that. So we're gonna try to find the other side, but I don't know if we'll get there or not. And then we're gonna go to check out some other waterfalls in the Columbus, Dublin area. So I was wondering why I can't get to the other side. That's closed. This is permanently blocked. Luckily, we're almost back. I have a tiny little stone in my shoe. So this is it. This is the view you can have of the falls. Back where I showed you before. And here, on this bridge. Are they open? Oh, we can go down those. So we went downstairs that are right there, and I think you can be in this area. We're under the footbridge right now. La, la, la. And the main part of the falls is that way, and then there's a little more over here. You guys, the other path's right here.
No!
So the parking lot is this way, but there's another path that way. I think that's the other side of the trail, which I didn't notice when we walked in. So I was mistaken. It's not closed off. Just that bridge is closed off for whatever reason. And maybe it's been closed off a long time. I don't know. It's been a long time since I've been here. And the kids were pretty little. So I was really keeping an eye on them. And I'm pretty certain we went on this path there. Not sure. Well, I'll figure that out. And we'll come back at a different time. Nobody wants to walk it right now. Standing in front of the Wedgwood Hills Park sign. This is in a
Wait, I need to make a wish.
very nice neighborhood. So there is not a parking lot, and I am not too certain that I would recommend coming here. I don't know. We'll see how it goes because I did park my car back there in front of someone's house. And we'll see how it goes. Yeah, go play. Super nice little playground right near the entrance. Behind me is a pond. And we haven't found the falls yet, but we've walked, you know, only a very, very little bit. Okay, my kids are not happy with me. They don't like this one. It took a while to find this path. Ooh, mushroom log? Ooh, let's look.
There's another one.
Okay.
There's one over here. Another one.
Another one.
Another one.
And this one.
This is
So this path is actually a little hard to find. I walked not quite halfway around that nice paved part. Is that what it says? Oh yeah, don't go there then. Yep. Up there is private property. Don't go that way. We're following the path, looking for the falls. And it is gorgeous. Like, you don't know you're in the middle of pretty much city area. And the falls might be dried up right now. It is August 1st. It's been hot. There's been rain, but you know, maybe not enough. I don't know. So it felt like it rained the first 3 days we arrived back in the US. And it definitely did rain 3 days. It felt like forever. It felt like longer than 3 days is what I'm trying to say. We found some water, but that's like a very large puddle. Oh, I don't know.
Look how deep it is.
The path continues. Everybody's angry and upset and doesn't want to be here. So we can't find the falls. I have a feeling that this is not the time of the year to find them. That maybe they're active in spring. And that it's a little bit dry and hot right now for them. Additionally, there's construction on that side. You know, sometimes that stuff can mess up the way the water flows. So we're going back, and I'm gonna try to convince the kids to go to a third place, but we need to eat. They need to eat. Okay, well, we tried. You wanna search for it, the path is behind the gazebo. And there's the water, and the front is, you just follow the path. I mean, you can't get lost on this. This paved part is a big circle. As you can see, we're on a busy road, but we're about to go down the stairs. So here are the stairs. Dun, dun, dun. Use the handrail if you're nervous.
No, I got this.
Okay. And you can see the Scioto River over there. Okay, everybody's happier now. This is completely a boardwalk, and you have to stay on the path. Don't get off of it. You're not supposed to. Let's see how the waterfall here is running this time of year. Okay, can you see the robin? No, she's gonna fly when I get too close. There she goes. Dang it. Oh my goodness, I love the walls here. Can you really? So tall. Like, people, there are houses up there. It'd be an incredible place to live. I can hear it already. I've been right here a couple times.
The falls.
Yeah.
Those little birds.
Yeah. Most of the time when I'm here, the water comes from all of, it's so hard to do this backwards. So hard to, the water comes all of that top part down.
I love you.
It's still pretty strong, even that little bit, and it's beautiful. I don't know that I've been here in the summertime, and I love it.
I love
And we are still in the middle of the city. I've been overruled to stay any longer at the waterfall. They like it, but they're also ready to go home. It's the third park of the day, so I understand why they are ready to go home and rest. I'm so glad we did it. The sun is coming out. I thought it was gonna rain around this time, but not right now. Sun is finally out from behind the clouds. I see some blue skies, and I don't know why that just happened in the background. But this was beautiful. I'm glad we did it. That area reminds me of Southern Ohio. What is that place called? Hocking Hills. Oh, there's a little spider. Oh, he's tiny and cute. He's tiny, look, see? He's tiny. Fun fact, or at least I think it's fun, is that it was on one of these trees by the path where there was a Ziploc bag with paper inside and a message said, "For Jackie." And I always wondered, who is Jackie? Did she find the message? What was it for? Was it a scavenger hunt? Was it a marriage proposal? Was it happy birthday? Or who knows? Anyway, I've always wondered. So Jackie, if it was you, please let me know. Oh, the stairs. Now we're gonna go up the stairs. Yeah. Quite a hike. Thanks for coming along with us as we visited 3 waterfalls in Dublin area. Of course, the one was a bust. I can confirm it's there. So don't go there if you want to see a waterfall. I know it exists there. People have found it, but I didn't find it. So since unconfirmed, I wouldn't bother unless you want to see that lovely trail, which I really enjoyed. There's just no official parking lot, so it feels odd to just park in that really nice fancy neighborhood, but everything was fine for us.
Tripod?
Hi, we are at Indian Run. Hi, we are at Indian Falls. Dang it.